morning, welcome back. Today we have got quite a doozy. So we were called some time ago to unblock a drain. This line runs a nice straight line from there all the way through to here, and you've got your municipal connection down here somewhere. Unfortunately, it seems to be falling on the other side of the wall, and we've got a collapsed pipe, and the municipality doesn't want to touch it. They say it is for the onus of the homeowner. So we're going to be opening up and repairing, finding the section of collapsed pipe, replacing any damaged, cracked or broken pipes, and hopefully we don't have to take out the wall. That would be the godsend in the situation. Right, let's get it. Good morning. Let's see what we did yesterday. As you can see, we had to take out the wall, as this drain is bloody deep. Well, it's not the deepest we've worked on, but it's fairly deep down there. So we've got a crack and damage on this top collar section of the pipe here, and down there we've got breakage, and on that elbow on the underside we've got broken pipe. But that's a man deep down there. So yeah, this was quite a lot of fun just to fix two little pieces of broken pipe. Fun times. But yeah, let's get it. We're going to break this down, remove all of those broken sections, and we're going to join from here to that line running up there, and then we'll redo this piece, the cleaning eye. Okay, let's take a look and see what there is to be seen. Okay. That's broken. That's also broken off all the way. Okay. That's chock-a-block full of roots. Yeah, there's definitely some issues in there. Alright, well that's about the extent of the repair. Kenny's busy plugging up the edges and the connectors for us. We've actually gone into the old pipe over here, so I'm not going to do an adapter. We're also going to seal it with this compound. And there you can actually see the pipe had broken in on itself, and that was all sitting in the corner down there. So there's no ways you would have gotten that open or pulled that out, not from this depth. So yeah, I'm just going to cement it up, finish our cement collars on our two connections there, and then we can start to fill up and do the rest of the repairs. All right, so that's the bottom connection concreted in, and we've just built up a little bit of a retaining wall over here so that the guys can throw some concrete around the top fitting, and we're going to completely encase the pipe and this whole connection in concrete as well, which will keep the roots out for future. So, well, there we have it. End of day 2. Wall is up, pipes are in, connected, working, draining properly. Our cleaning eye is somewhere over here. We've thrown down a lot of water, and we'll come back tomorrow and we'll finish off the cleaning eye, move their compost heap back, and tidy up the yard like it was. But yeah, almost like nothing ever happened. So that's the end of it. Day 3, popped round, compacted the soil a little bit, threw down some concrete, reused the old cleaning iron lid. There's nothing wrong with the old cleaning iron lid. And yeah, Bob's your uncle. Even put their compost heap back in place. And it doesn't take you 10 seconds to just take a rake and just rake the area, but that it looks a bit neater when you're done. Okay. Doesn't take all that much effort, children. Okay, just leave it neater than what you found it. It's a simple little motto I apply, which seems to work quite well. Right, catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching.